Good morning, everyone. Guys, morning.
Good
Morning,
morning.
Vikas. Sanjay
Hi, good
speaking.
morning.
Guys,
Good
morning,
morning.
Good
everyone.
morning.
Good morning, sir.
Cool. Guys,
Good morning.
today today is the, I don't want to say it's a last day, but yes, it's a last project, I can say, okay, which we are discussing with the batch 38. Okay, but again, I'm telling you, it's not a last project. We are planning some more new projects also, okay, for the next batches, and it will be available for you as well. Again, I will take some weekend live session, okay, an interactive session again as usual, okay, and we will discuss and we will implement some more new projects as well. One project which I would like to discuss in front of you guys only, it's a AI based project. Okay, second project, again a clone of the one of the favorite application. Okay, in the Kubernetes, I have given the use case of one of the application. Which was that? हमने Kubernetes क्लास में कौन सी एप्लीकेशन का यूज केस किया था? अरे
Netflix.
आंसर आंसर नेटफ्लिक्स. यस. So what we are planning it, पूरा Netflix ही डेवलप करेंगे. Okay, we will develop the complete Netflix, not Netflix, Netflix clone of the Netflix. Okay, into the Kubernetes environment. This time not Kubernetes, on the AK, on the Amazon EKS. Okay, and we will develop complete, and then e-commerce website. So whatever the things are there, what everything will be there itself. Okay, so it's something new, and even I have bring something again new for you guys. Okay, because see, technically, though, you guys are good. Okay, technically, you guys are good because I can say that I saw the batch 38 last discussion. Okay, which we did on the YouTube. 5 7 people are completely technical and they're fighting for the technical answers. This is correct. This is not correct. Okay, Darshan was the part. Praveen was the part of that. Roshan and so many students. Jeevan, they are the part of that discussion. Okay, now I would like to bring something, the pro tips and tricks, okay, which we are going to discuss. Okay, now, because why this is important, because see, at the end, whatever you are technical, but you have to be a very smart person also, right, to crack an interview. What you say? Yes, no?
Yes.
Right.
Right, you have
Yes.
to be a very smart
Yes.
person as well. Yeah, so that this things is coming into the picture. Okay, and what exactly it is, I would like to say that really we want to see into you the camera. Okay, it will be good for you, good for us, good for everyone. Okay, now keep this in mind before the interview. Means I would like to discuss the thing before the interview, during the interview, or after the interview, what all things we have to do it. Okay, sometimes we are not very much prepared. Okay, sometimes in the interview we are not that much professional. Okay, or after the interview, as soon as the last thing came, we have to put the very good impression that, because at the last only he will feel that selected or rejected. Correct? Yes or no?
Yep.
See, if he's 70, 60, 70, 90% impressed with you, okay, but at the last, if you impressed him with a good answer or with some good points, there may be chances he will say, okay, send it for the next round, or let's discuss with him. Yes or no? Are you agree? Yes or no? It happens?
Yes.
Hmm.
Yes.
Right, so yes, after the interview or the last question is also very important. Okay, so we were going to discuss this all things. Yeah, and I will consider this as a meet and greet session also, because officially last day for the batch 38. Okay, so I would like to listen you guys as well, that how was your feedback for me, or how is your journey with me? I would like to listen, because so I will say so many things, but I also want to listen the things. Yeah. Who want to say something? How's your feedback? Happy, not happy, great, whatever it is. अरे बोलो बोलो please.
I would say always great. As I told you
Okay.
many times, and
I know.
just
I know. So I know. Okay. Yep. 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 What about others, guys?
Yes,
What
sir.
about others?
It was a great sir, to have in your class, and we have learned
बस
a
ये
lot of
ग्रेट
things
वर्ड तो मैंने बहुत सुन
from
रखा
you.
है, कुछ और सुनना है. बोलो बोलो guys, चलो,
Uh,
let's 5 2 5 minutes we will spend something here, share the feedback, share the things.
learning is always challenging. Is not interesting. I mean, sometimes it's boring also. Especially switching career from is very challenging. Managing time, so many challenging. But learning with you, what I found last couple of months is enjoyable. So you made me actually to practice and encourage, so it's very interesting. That's why middle of the night, most of the time I thought just, okay, I'll complete end of the session because of live session to interact with you, even middle of the night. I don't feel talk, but still I tried actually. I tried. Maybe a couple of nights or 3 nights I couldn't make it, but most of the night I I wake up, I attend it.
Mustafa, I also really appreciated, okay, someone in the night 3 a.m. sitting with me, okay. So that's also really very appreciated, okay. I'm really very appreciated for that, for your effort, okay. Whatever we are putting, that's the one part, okay. But you are also putting, that's also very appreciated for that. Cool. Yep. What about others, guys? Jeevan is very happy. Jeevan, how many calls you are getting? Interview calls. जीवन म्यूट पे होके नहीं बोलते.
Hello.
हाँ, yes, जीवन.
Yes, sir. I am very happy, sir. I am very satisfied, sir. Uh, लगा नहीं था सर इतना इजी होगा सीखने के लिए डेवऑप्स टूल्स. सर आपने तो एकदम ही बोलते हैं कि इतना इजी कर दिया कि सर अभी कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत ज्यादा आ गया है.
बस अब इंटरव्यू कॉल्स आ रहे हैं. जीवन, आई नीड ए ऑफर. आई नीड ए ऑफर. Okay? Please, it's
यस सर,
really
श्योर सर.
required. Okay? Please. What about others, guys? Guys, this is last day. Please बोलो, कुछ तो बोलो. I talk a lot. ये मेरी एनर्जी देता है. अगर if you will say something, it will give energy to me. Simple. So that
Right.
I
I
can
would say
bring
that
something new for you. Hashwin?
absolutely. So I would say that the execution of this whole journey was fantastic. The pieces you place, the sequence you followed, that was really awesome. And secondly, I would say, and this is a notable thing, like I know that learning something is actually not a what we call it, not a super easy things, right? But you made it easy by connecting the dots or just letting me correlate with the real world. Or sometimes you give some examples, right? That makes me understand. Okay, so these things happen in that way. So this was the thing which was make me feel like, hi, yeah, I can do that. I can, because I come from the non-tech background, and I feel so that now I know many of the tools I can
Hashwin.
give hands.
Now you are not a non-tech, okay? Don't say ever this word, okay? Ever in
Yeah,
front
yeah,
of
absolutely.
anyone. Because that is your
Absolutely.
past, you can say.
Absolutely.
Yep.
So it was
Which
great
is
journey.
crazy,
Yeah.
man. Cool. Anyone? Giri, you are a complete fresher, I know. Cool. What about others, guys? What about? Cool. Okay, thank you, guys. Thanks for your kind words. Okay, really happy. Hey, Suresh is here. Hi, Suresh. Suresh, guys, if you don't know, I will tell you. Suresh is the most senior person in our batch, right? Suresh? Suresh, you're on mute. सुरेश म्यूट पे हो.
Yeah,
म्यूट पे हो. Yep.
yeah. After Praveen, hi sir.
हाँ, अरे आपका see, Praveen, Mustafa, you and 3, 4 more senior persons are also in our batch. Okay, yeah. And
Yeah,
now you have a real challenge that who will get the highest package. That's also very important.
yeah.
Suresh,
I
how was
mean,
your journey?
eh,
कैसा लगा? As a senior most person, how you feel that?
yeah. I can say that when I start as an experienced person, right? Maybe um, person having a 2 years experience or maybe the 12 years experience, 10 years experience. Somewhere I feel that they're having they have experience, but over the period when they're working on some specific domain, they have the knowledge of that specific domain, but other domains like we are working in IT, right? IT industry. Other domains we maybe have loss or maybe have a less knowledge on that domain, or maybe somewhere we try to forget some things about other domains and all that. So as far as concerned, for me, I'm just keeping on that particular operation domain, like where we are working on AWS. or maybe the related part of the operations, like in the cloud and all related things. But yeah, obviously, like in the IT, every day we saw new technology, new tool, right? And that is the challenge in IT working, right? So for me, I'm not in a good shape to other tools, like we have a Kubernetes and Docker and all that. That is industry demand. It's required to learn every day, right? But for me, your class, it's connecting dots for me. Like, um, I never work on the Kubernetes, but I have somewhere I learn, maybe not in deep, or maybe I don't have the how to start initially with the Kubernetes, how to start initially with the Docker and other domains like we gone through, like Python or maybe the Lambda. I don't know, but somewhere I
Yeah.
got to know after your class, yeah, this is the initial stage that we can do. That is the ending part. This can we do with this, stuff. This is all dot which I have connected right now by doing your course, right? And I really appreciate. And as you already put your all the experience, right? Like industry experience. The experienced person don't know the small thing, right? Even I don't know the small thing. Actually, that should be, we should know that. But the small thing, I feel that we should know. And you connecting those dots, that's I really felt that you actually have belong from the working industry, or the trend you carry with the, that we should we every IT person should know. Actually, we are
Correct.
working and we should know that. But you got to know our got to know us for that. Yeah, you should know that this connecting dot, which really helped for me, and I really appreciate and thank you for that.
Thank you. Thanks, Suresh. Thank you, Suresh. Okay, guys, see that point with the Suresh point is very valid that we know a lot of things, but sometimes we don't know how to implement. Okay. But experience increased, expectation also increased. Okay. So that in that case, we have to recollect all the things from the starting, because whatever the package you will get, 40 lakhs, 60 lakhs, 50, 70 lakhs, whatever you will get, it's not get with the help of just 2 months, right? Your previous experience also matters. Are you agree with my point? Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? Because see, you will get a package. 90% of the effort will be this. Okay, this 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, next 5 months. Okay, but your package will come from your previous how you are speaking. So that's why I'm always forcing you to speak. If you will speak, if you don't know or don't know, doesn't matter. Okay, but if you will speak, there may be chances you may able to crack something. Are you agree? Yes or no? मतलब बोलना तो है ही है, और ये डेवऑप्स
Yep.
इंजीनियर का एक थंब रूल ही है, क्योंकि वी हैव टू टॉक विद द डेवलपर, वी हैव टू टॉक विद द क्यूए पीपल, वी हैव टू टॉक विद द ऑपरेशन पीपल, वी हैव टू टॉक विद द प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर, स्क्रम मास्टर, एवरीवेयर. तो वी हैव टू बी अ टॉकेटिव पर्सन, सिंपल सी बात है. ओके. कूल
Yeah,
कूल, थैंक यू.
I mean, I would say that learning technical thing is essential, but to have the communication is more essential. I mean, it's more
क्या
required.
ये किसी भी प्रोफाइल में जाओगे, टेक्निकल नॉन टेक्निकल,
Yeah,
ठीक है, बोलना
and
तो पड़ेगा ही.
yeah, if required, you can join the communication class as well.
नहीं नहीं, वो जरूरत नहीं है, बात करते करते भी हो जाता है, बट इट्स गुड. या अगर करना चाहो तो वो भी, दैट्स आल्सो वेरी गुड. ओके. कूल कूल, थैंक यू. एनीवन, कोई और कुछ बोलना चाहेगा? Cool. Chalo, let me share my screen again.
Yeah.
Okay. I
Hi,
have so many
Vikash.
things.
Yeah,
Hi,
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 Vikash.
hello.
Uh,
Yep, yep. Hi,
I
Rupali.
just yeah, I want to ask a couple of questions. Like in interview, whenever we go in any interview, they always ask like on what technology you have worked on and what was your day-to-day activity, and like what task you performed on a daily basis. So on that case, like exactly what we need to say, ki this we are working on this technology and that I want to like just clarify once.
Rupali, see, can you write this question, because you have three, four questions? What I understood that what's your day-to-day activity, point number one. Okay.
Yeah.
And you have what all things you have to say, that what you did. Two questions, right? And if
Mhm.
I miss anything,
Yeah.
you can write it just okay. I'm ready to give the answer. See, first question, what is your
Mm.
day-to-day activity? If you have attended my resume making session, okay, in the resume making session, I given a 20, 25 points that you have to say that in the dev environment, you have to say that you did this. You are into the DevOps environment, then you have to say this. In the operation environment, you have to say this. As a cloud engineer, you have to say this. Wherever you are putting your more values, okay, whatever the more experience you are putting, you have to say that points. Okay, and if you want, I will give it again because it will require 20 minutes for me to explain it. Second question. Okay, second question, that because what all, can you repeat your question? Second question, because what all your,
Like, what is your day-to-day activity and and on what technology you have worked on?
okay. So see, Rupali, this is a question. What's your overall experience or what you are at this point? Correct. Before that,
Sorry.
रूपाली क्या करते हो आप? इससे पहले आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस है? व्हाट्स योर एक्सपीरियंस?
My experience is SOC analyst.
SOC. अरे रूपाली, I already told you, you are a SOC analyst, right? So see how
Yeah.
you will combine this my DevOps journey with your SOC. Okay, SOC is how many years?
For 3 years. Actually, this is not
3 years.
correlating. Matlab, right now, on which technology I am working, like on
It's okay.
whatever tools I am working, that are not relatable. So I
I
have to
know,
say, like, in
Rupali,
years.
I know. See, you are working into the security tools, okay?
Yeah,
Right?
exactly.
अब हम लोग
Yeah,
इसको कैसे ट्विक कर सकते हैं? ओके, देखो मैंने तुम आपको क्या सिखाया है? DevOps, राइट?
yeah.
राइट, अब आप इसके अंदर यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा स्पेस बनाकर फॉर यू ओनली, ओके, जो सिक्योरिटी टूल्स
Uh,
आता है, यू कैन से आई एम वर्किंग एज ए डेवऑप्स इंजीनियर बट माय प्राइमरी फोकस वाज इनटू द सिक्योरिटी थिंग्स एज वेल. Okay, so you can create some small story kind of thing, that how exactly means, see, you know the development and operation, but you are very well into the security part as well. So you can call yourself as a DevSecOps engineer. Okay, and with the help of DevOps, whatever you are expecting, just add 4 5 lakh extra because of your previous experience, and you can be a DevSecOps engineer as well. Is that make sense?
yeah, but for DevSecOps, like Splunk, I guess we required now, or some other tools might be, or you have just told me, I don't
तो
remember
रूपाली
exactly.
रूपाली आपका जो
Um,
रूपाली आपका सिक्योरिटी का एक्सपीरियंस तो है ना? करेक्ट, वही
हाँ,
तो बीच में
सिक्योरिटी
रखना
का
बोल
है।
रहा हूँ मैं.
लाइक अभी जैसे अभी मेरा है क्राउड स्ट्राइक, मैंने क्राउड स्ट्राइक पे वर्क किया है, लॉगरिदम पे किया है, और ट्रेन मैसेजिंग लैब्स पे किया है, और क्वालिस पे
ठीक
किया
है,
है। तो अभी मैंने इन वाले
करेक्ट.
टूल्स पे वर्क किया है, तो ये हमारा
दैट्स गुड
डेवऑप्स
ना.
से कोरिलेट नहीं
नहीं
करता ना।
रूपाली, मैं आपको क्या बोल रहा हूँ, आपको इसके अंदर थोड़ा सा ट्वीक करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? शायद मैं आपके लिए एक 30 मिनट्स का सेशन 1 to 1 रखना चाहूंगा, ओके, जिसमें मैं आपको
ओके
आपका रिज्यूम देखकर डायरेक्टली आपको सारी चीजें स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड बोलना चाहूंगा कि आपको ऐसे ट्वीक करना है, चलेगा?
ओके, हाँ हाँ, बिल्कुल चलेगा।
ओके. और शायद ये मैंने पहले भी आपको बताया है, आई फील कि मेरी आपसे बात हुई है इस चीज में, करेक्ट?
आपने ये बोला था कि आप शौक हो तो आप डेप्थ पे जा सकते हो, मैं आपको टेक्नोलॉजी बता दूंगा तो आप वो भी पढ़ लेना, आपने ऐसा बोला था। बट अभी जैसे
ठीक है,
अगर करेंटली अगर
मैं
मतलब
आपको वो
कोई और
चीज
नया
दे
भी
देता हूँ
सीखा है तो
रूपाली.
करेक्ट।
रूपाली मैं आपको दे
हम्म।
देता हूँ, रूपाली मैं आपको दे देता हूँ, ठीक है?
हाँ
अपना आज का
हाँ।
जो इंटेंशन, मैं अभी क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं कर रहा था, मैं आपसे पूछ रहा था कि आपको, अच्छा चलो, आपने जो मेरे साथ अभी आपने कितनी क्लासेस अटेंड करी है, रेगुलर आप आए हो?
हाँ, मैं रेगुलर आई हूँ, बीच में अभी थोड़ा सा मेरा
रूपाली
फैमिली
कैसा लगा
इमरजेंसी
मेरे
चल
साथ
रहा था तो
एक्सपीरियंस,
बीच
कैसा
में
लगा,
करा
ये
था।
क्वेश्चन था मेरा.
अच्छा, ओके, आपके साथ अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था। लाइक इट वाज पॉइंट टू
ओके.
पॉइंट, और मतलब अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था। बाकी मैं क्योंकि बिल्कुल भी मतलब कि टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड मेरा बहुत टाइम पहले ही छूट गया है, but ऐसा जावा है, पाइथन, ये सब कुछ बहुत टाइम से ही मैं टच में नहीं हूँ, तो ठीक है, अच्छा था। अभी भी थोड़ा और वर्क करना पड़ेगा अभी, क्योंकि एकदम आउट ऑफ द स्कोप हो गया मेरे इसलिए थोड़ा सा 1 2 3 मंथ थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स करने पड़ेंगे। बट बाकी आपका
नहीं,
क्लास अच्छा था, मैं वापस से अभी
दिस इज
इनिशियली
दिस इज
रिकॉर्डिंग
मोस्ट
देखना
इम्पोर्टेंट, दिस
स्टार्ट
इज
करूंगी।
मोस्ट
या
इम्पोर्टेंट.
मैं अभी रिकॉर्डिंग, मेरा है आपका सेशन आज से खत्म होगा ना, तो मैं अभी रिकॉर्डिंग देखना स्टार्ट करूंगी, क्योंकि
नहीं
लैब्स और
रूपाली,
एक
रिकॉर्डिंग से
साथ
बढ़िया
सेशन
रहेगा.
करना मुझे मुश्किल लग
नेक्स्ट
रहा
बैच की लाइव क्लासेस में भी आना, इफ यू वांट यू कैन कम इनटू द नेक्स्ट बैच लाइव क्लासेस आल्सो, ओके, इट विल बी हेल्पफुल.
है। ओके
ओके,
ओके ओके, या श्योर।
चलो गुड,
मैं
थैंक
आपको
यू
अपना
रूपाली.
रिज्यूमे शेयर करूंगी, जब भी आपके पास टाइम हो तो आप 1 to 1 कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं then।
मैं आपको खुद ही बैक टू टाइम दे देता हूँ, ओके. इस वीकेंड 4 PM चलेगा?
हाँ हाँ, चलेगा।
Done. Okay,
Because
cool. हाँ.
I want
थैंक
to
यू।
add
Or
on the
whoever want
things.
to come, guys, no need to worry. Whoever want to come, you can come for that time. Simple. Okay, हम लोग सिर्फ 1 to 1 बातें करेंगे. That's it. Okay,
Because I
just
want to
only
add
for
on the
your
things.
profile. हाँ हाँ, मैं बोलो.
Yeah, am I audible first of all? Because my
हाँ
mic
Mayank,
has
you're
a
audible. बोलो बोलो.
yeah. So while we are studying the things in the long journey, I was never in the camera, but I have learned the things a lot. And
मयंक आओ ना कैमरे पे आओ. मयंक आओ कैमरे पे आओ. It's required.
I will. The basic thing, the earlier also I have joined the batch, but because of the family issues, I have not completed. But this time I have completed a batch and I have learned the things, and it was like very impressing for me also. And since I have like shared the things, like whatever I have learned, I have shared with my manager in my current company. They have given me a chance to work in the cloud team. So as he was a nice person, he given me the chance to work with the cloud team, and I'm started working in the cloud team. Like I have not given the interview, to be very honest, till now, but I have started working with the my internal cloud team, and they like it might possible not in the DevOps right now, but down the line they will move me in the DevOps also. So it was like great learning with you, and the things are very clear, the topics are very clear. The things are like sometimes we think Jenkins and other tools are the how are you the most of the things like the this look like a very tough, but when we get into this and when we start learning the things when with a good teacher, so this thing will become very easy. When we are trying to understand step by step, this will things will become very easy actually. So you made this easy actually. Actually, your
Thank you,
experience
man.
made it easy.
Thank you, Mayank. Thank you, guys. Mayank has internally switched it, but he haven't informed to us. That's not good, Mayank.
I have informed to you the day I have switched.
Okay,
I have informed to
okay,
you, Vikas.
okay,
But the
okay. Sorry,
very
I may
you
not
were the
matter. Guys,
you
whenever
were the
any
first
achievement
person
came,
before. Yeah, you were the first person actually to whom I have informed. The minute I got this
okay.
information, the same minute I have sent you the message.
Thank you, thank you. Mayank, you are in the WhatsApp group also. Send in a WhatsApp group as well. Okay. So that
Sure,
people will
sure,
get
definitely.
motivated and they will try internally also. Because sometimes, guys, if you will believe, see, Mayank, interview not happen, correct?
Yeah, there is no interview. Like they have just because it's a internal switch only. They have not
Correct.
changed the profile. This is my suggestion to everyone. If you have a goodwill and the if your team have a if you have a goodwill with your manager and the other team members, don't go for the package right now. Just go for the learning. Just go with them, just ask them, like, because this is the way I have asked them, like, I will do my work whatever I'm doing right now as an application support head. I'll keep doing my thing. You just started work start giving the small task, and like increase it in a bit within a month. And once I'll just keep on the things. Once I have a complete understanding of my own infra, when I will go ahead and switch this thing, since I have like 3 years of experience with this particular profile, I can complete whatever. Once I learn the infra, like how the infra is working in my own company, I will, like, whatever the understanding I have with the application, I can include those understanding with the infra understanding, and I can deliver it to the next company as a complete DevOps engineer or complete cloud engineer. That will be a double or triple of your package very easily. You don't have to, like, this is my work, because I started working with this uh, what I can telecaller. I started working with a telecaller, and I'm in a right now with the 6 year of experience. I am a IT support head. So this is how we have to, like, grow, learn the things, and once you learn it, include with your previous experience. Make some story, make some fake story, and make the interviewer believe that you are the only person, like, who are working in your team. And like this, you just have to make the stories in the interview. I have made it like 2 3 times, and I have switched the career, because one of us, like, has just told that switching the career is little difficult when we are switching the technology, or when we are moving into the, especially from the non-tech to technology. I am one of the example who have.
Internal movements are very easy. Now you proved it. Correct?
Yes, internal movements are
Right?
easy if you have a goodwill, little goodwill, and
See,
you just
goodwill
have
we
to
can
show the
create it.
encourage.
Guys, goodwill, we can create it. It's from today also. If you start talking with someone, some teams or cloud teams, DevOps teams, okay, within 1 week, if you meet 2 3 times, 4 times, yes, goodwill get created. Yes or no?
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
Prakash.
agree,
Sure.
right? So, and don't say directly on the day one that I want to come your team. Say the point after 1 week, after 2 weeks, after 15 days. Yes or no? If you will start
And
from today,
one more,
in the 15 days,
yeah, one more key point. Don't tell anyone that you wanted to switch. You wanted to learn is the major key point. Once you learn it, the team will automatically pull you. They have a lot of work to do. They want a new
correct,
hands to work with them. They are just
correct,
not ready to give the work to make sure like there is no blunder happen. Just make them
correct.
understand like you will not make blunder. You will help them. They will allow you to work. This is my experiences.
Makes
And
sense,
don't
makes
like
sense,
tell them
absolutely.
one more thing. When you are telling this like I wanted to learn this thing, don't tell like I will leave the thing what I am doing it, because your work is also important what you are doing it. Tell them like I'll put myself as an extra working, and I will do that thing also. I will keep doing this thing also. Just do it for a 6 or 7 month. If you are changing the if you are not okay to change the company, if you are not very comfortable with the interview, just learn the thing internally. This will really help you. This is my personal experience. Just make the little goodwill and do the work. It will really easy when you are cracking the interview. If you are, I'm just telling you one thing. If you are moving from the non-tech, and if you guys have any issue, you can directly message me. I will help you with the story making. This is I did. I can help you with the story making with your earlier experience.
Mrigank, I
But
have a
एक
questions
come
for
up on
you.
the camera, मैं
Yes,
कैमरा
Roshan,
पे तो
please.
आओ, एक लोग
Yeah,
देख कौन ये
Mri- Mri- because I have to ask some question to Mrigank. Mrigank,
अरे wait,
you
wait, रोशन रोशन
you
रोशन अभी ये एजेंडा नहीं, रोशन रोशन अभी नहीं, okay, cool, man, that's really good, okay, man, it will be good if you will say all the thing on the camera, will be great, okay, that's okay, your choice, okay. And guys, see, what I understood from the mank voice is he is a very positive kind of thing, right? Do you feel that he will put some extra effort also? So eagerness or positiveness also required into when you are speaking something. Make sense, yes or no?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right, and people has to feel, means your interviewer or whoever is that person, wherever you are talking, he has to feel that yes, you are eager to do the things. If you have eager, then only you will able to do it. Make sense, yes or no? Thank you, man, thanks for
Yeah.
coming on the camera. Cool. चल,
हेलो
चलो
सर।
Quickly
guys,
adding,
it's okay.
yeah, Praveen.
हाँ, go ahead.
हाँ सर, कुछ बोलो।
बोल, हाँ प्रवीण, बोल रहे हो, कुछ बोल रहे हो? यस,
हाँ
इफ यू आर स्पीकिंग।
हाँ सर, यहाँ पे क्लास ज्वाइन करने के बाद पहले तो क्लास ज्वाइन किया मैंने कि इंटरेक्शन सेशन है, मैंने आपको पहले ही फीडबैक दे दिया था इसका। इंटरेक्शन सेशन है इसलिए मैंने क्लास ज्वाइन किया। जो भी मेरे पास कमी थी, हाँ, यानी कि 100% फुलफिल किसी की कमी पूरी नहीं होती, या लाइफ टाइम हो या
एग्जैक्टली।
कभी भी। हाँ, मैंने जो भी सीखा है
यस,
थोड़ा जो मुझे
some
नहीं
people are
आता
not
था।
happy with God also, are you agree? Right, भगवान ये नहीं दे रहा, भगवान मुझे ये नहीं दे रहा, करेक्ट, या प्रवीण?
तो जो भी मेरी कमी थी, जो भी मैंने तो आपसे थोड़ा पॉइंट, जो भी पॉइंट मेरे में लैगिंग थे वो मैंने कवर कर लिए। फिर ऐसा नहीं कि उसके लिए कि एक दिन में कवर हो जाएंगे सब
वो नहीं
पॉइंट।
होता।
हाँ, तो उसके लिए तो प्रैक्टिस जरूरी है, डे टू डे प्रैक्टिस करना, अपना फोकस करना। कि ऐसा नहीं कि आप भी पूरा एक बुक पढ़ा पाओगे, इट इज इम्पॉसिबल फॉर एनी ट्रेनर।
करेक्ट,
ये
करेक्ट।
कौन से भी इंस्टीट्यूट में जाओ, कि आप अगर कुछ भी एक टॉपिक में बोल रहा हूँ एडब्ल्यूएस, तो एडब्ल्यूएस कौन सी भी इंस्टीट्यूट में, वो बंदा ट्रेनर एडब्ल्यूएस पूरा टॉप टू बॉटम नहीं पढ़ा पाएगा। इट विल टेक वन
एडब्ल्यूएस के
ईयर
अंदर 200 सर्विसेज होती है।
और
अगर
उसको
हम
एक
लोग
साल
आज
जाएगा
भी
वो।
स्टार्ट करते हैं 200 सर्विस, अगर हम आज भी स्टार्ट, चलो लेट अज्यूम टुडे आई नो ऑल द 200 सर्विसेज, नॉट आई डोंट नो रियली, ओके, अगर कोई जानता भी होगा तो विद इन 3 मंथ्स 150 न्यू सर्विसेज विल कम, राइट?
या
You can't be a master in any of the particular cloud provider or anything.
ये ये इसलिए ट्रेनिंग हम लोग लगाते हैं कि आपसे सीखो कि जो इम्पोर्टेंट इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है उतना भी ग्रैप्स कर लिया तो सफिशिएंट है। और
Makes
जो
sense.
ग्रुप में अभी ग्रुप में 50 लोग है, 50 लोग से निवेदन करता हूँ भाइयों बहनों, अगर किसी भी कंपनी में कुछ ओपनिंग होता है तो एक दूसरे को शेयर करो।
That
ये
is
मेरी
really
मन
good.
की
See,
बात है।
guys, if you will do this, everyone will get 50 referrals. Okay. Chalo, if 10 people will not refer, everyone will get 40 referrals. 40 referrals are too much, right?
या
और
Sure.
मेरे पास referral से मुझे याद आया, I also have the referral. Guys, yesterday 2 people has went for the Infosys. Okay. And yes, they need some more profiles. Please, Kubernetes is the main point, and they are discussing on the RDS and SQL. And this is the link I'm giving to you right away. Okay, please share your profiles by today itself. Okay, because they are scheduling the interview straightforward. Okay, means there may be chances you may get an interview by today itself. Okay, so I'm just going back. Okay, batch 39. Yeah, all 39 students also. Let's go and
सर
try.
एक
Okay, please.
एक रिक्वेस्ट है सर,
हाँ हाँ, बोलो बोलो.
बैच 39 में मुझे ऐड करो।
बेस्ट है, देखो डबल डबल ग्रुप में रिपीटेशन होता है. ओके, व्हाट पीपल विल, एक बंदे ने यहाँ पे मैसेज किया, वहां पे किया, 2 मिनट बाद दूसरी जगह कर
नहीं नहीं
दिया.
नहीं,
दैट्स नॉट
मैं अगर बैच 29 रिपीट करना चाहता हूँ तो कर
सही. रिपीट
पाएंगे कि
करना
नहीं?
चाहते हो, यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम प्रवीण, यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम. कोई पूछने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. ओके, आई विल
अच्छा
गिव यू द
ओके,
लिंक. ओके, एंड यू आर वेलकम. ओके, और जिसे भी आना है, यू आर वेलकम. ओके, यू आर वेलकम, आई एम डूइंग इट. ओके,
विकास मेरे को आना है।
अरे मैंने लिंक दिया, ये रहा लिंक दिया है. ठीक है, लिंक दिया है. क्वेश्चन कितनी बार आओगे? बैच 37, 38,
नहीं, मैं
39 क्या
बेस
होगा?
37 का पार्टी नहीं था विकास। आप बार बार जब से मैं ज्वाइन किया हूँ बेस 37
चलो
बोल रहे हो
रोशन
यार।
रोशन छोड़ो,
बेस
चलो
30।
रोशन छोड़ो.
हाँ।
ठीक है, रोशन छोड़ो. ओके, चलो गाइस, आई गिवन अ लिंक, यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम, आ सकते हो. ठीक है, कूल. चलो, नाउ वी आर कमिंग अप इनटू आवर टॉपिक. ओके, आवर टॉपिक हियर इज द मेन टॉपिक. ओके, या ओ अभी तो कुछ बहुत सारी चीज हुई. चलो लीव इट यार. हमारी कभी क्लास कैंसिल हुई क्या गाइस? एनीथिंग, एनी क्लास आई कैंसल विदाउट एनी रीजन? यस नो, जल्दी
नहीं
फास्ट.
नहीं नहीं
तो नहीं सुनाई दिया?
नहीं सर,
नहीं,
नो सर।
नहीं हुई, राइट? मैंने कभी कोई ऐसा एक्सक्यूज दिया कि आज क्लास नहीं हो पाएगी, या आज ये नहीं करते हैं, या कुछ समथिंग,
No, never.
राइट? कोई टेक्निकल फेलियर, या कोई सेशन को लेट कराओ कि नो यार आज ये नहीं हो रहा, मैं इसलिए लेट हूँ, एक्स वाई जेड एनी रीजन?
पीछे गाड़ियाँ दे दो।
अरे
No,
यस नो
Follow is
गाइस,
on
बोलो
time.
प्लीज. हाँ,
Never late. Never late.
ओके. अरे ये क्वेश्चन रिपीटेड हो गया. कभी क्लास 8 बजे के बाद स्टार्ट हुई है क्या?
Never.
टाइम पे सब हमेशा। हम लेट हुए
ऑलवेज,
होंगे
राइट?
बाकी हाँ।
थैंक यू. ओके, और कोई प्रैक्टिकल जो विच आई हैव टू डिलीवर इट एंड आई फेल्ड इट, आई टोल्ड लीव इट, ओके, लाइक दैट. ओके, और विच आई हैव नॉट कंप्लीटेड इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास, एनीथिंग लाइक दैट?
Never happened.
बोलना
नो
रह देना।
no.
Cool, thank you. Okay, and I think you are happy with my teaching quality. Okay, overall experience learning you have already shared. Okay, community support, any word for Vikas, we have already discussed these points. Okay, thank you. Yes, there are so many tips and tricks also there. Okay, what I would like to, it's a 8:35. Okay, let's me deliver this thing. Okay, and we will do the project in the next 20 minutes. Is that okay? Okay, in the 20
Yep.
minutes, we will go into the project side. Okay,
Oh,
so
okay.
what exactly, this is our actual session. Okay, be strong into the fundamentals, guys. Whatever you know, you have to be aware about the fundamentals also, because that is your roots. If you don't know the roots, you will not able to crack basic question also. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
हे देतोय, हे
Yes.
पाठवतो, काय ते स्कॅनर.
Correct.
Guys, Praveen, be on mute. Okay. Yes, you understood that you have to be strong into the fundamentals always. Okay. Whatever the topic, start from the basic, do the practicals, then only you will able to remember it. If any of the topic you feel that it's becoming a tough, do the practicals, do 2, 3 practicals, then definitely it will be easy for you. Okay. Small trick. Second is compare with some real use cases. Okay. And try to solve the problem. Whatever the issue is coming, read the logs, try to find out the issue. If you try to find out the issue, then only you will able to crack some other things, and compare with some real time use cases, then it will be very easy for you to remember the things. Okay, cool. And one more important thing, how many people knows this star interview method? Any one of you knows here star interview method, which we have to use
Y-
primarily into the interviews? Any one of
Yes,
you?
You have discussed this before, like when the Amazon interview was coming. So you said that the star method is
We
best way.
have discussed right in that
Situation,
call, right?
yeah, situation, then
I will.
task, something like
Correct.
that.
Yes, chalo, let me discuss, let me explain to every one of you. Okay, guys, this is one of the interview method which we have to use it in all the interviews. It will be very, very helpful for you. What you have to do it, Amazon especially feel that whatever the answer you are giving, you can give in the star technique. Okay. Now the question is very simple. What is the star? Okay. First, listen the question completely. Okay, if you don't listen the question, okay, there may be chances you may miss or you may not able to give the answer. Okay, the first point, listen the question very carefully, think it, that what exactly you are giving the answer. Okay, and now create a situation means when this problem happen. Okay, when this problem happen means, let's take any of the example, your Jenkins server is not running. Okay, so if you will say, I fixed the Jenkins server like this, it's a you know the technical problem, you given the answer, but you have to say a little bit that yes, 6 months back, or you are just passing the information that 2 years back the same issue happened in my company also. Okay, so that what indirectly you are passing, that you are working in the same thing from the last 2 years, right? You are creating a situation. Are you agree? So that interviewer feel that yes, from the last 2 years, last 1 year, last 6 months, you are working into that part, and you are 6 months mature in this technology or in this types of problems. Okay, to create a situation that I also faced the similar problem this year or last year or in the 2015, 2016, whatever you want. Okay, and then what problem was that? Okay, what was the problem? Okay, just interviewer has put something that Jenkins was not doing. Okay, yes, our Jenkins was also not working because of this reason. Okay, this is means memory issue, node was not working, agents are not working, right? Master slave was not working. It can be anything. So you can describe the problem. Okay, it was this was the particular problem. Okay, and then what you did, how you did. Okay, that's also matters, because what action you did. Let assume your node or your worker node was not working. Okay, so what is the first step? You try to check the logs. Okay, or as soon as the ticket got it, you have asked to the customers that can you please let me explain me what exactly the problem is. Okay, so as soon as the customer explained that problem, or you have asked the screenshot. Okay, and as soon as the screenshot came, you realize that okay, this is the problem, and then you start checking the logs. Okay, and after checking the logs, you understood the problem, and then you take the action to solve that, right? And your result means, as a result means, it will be beneficial why this service or this master slave requirements are important. So you have to give every answer in a situation, task, action, and as a result this has been solved, and we have solved this issue in the next 15 minutes or 20 minutes of duration, something like, if it's a very bigger issue kind of thing, say that we have resolved this issue, my team has resolved this issue in the 20 minutes of the, as soon as the issue has been reported, within 20 minutes we have solved it. So he will feel, means interviewer feel that okay, you are very much aware about it, you are comfortable, you are passing the positive message that you will, if any of the issue will come, you will be the person who will jump into the issue and you will try to solve that, right? So you are passing in the one question only, you are passing so many information. If possible, guys, think a question slowly. Okay, try to remember that which story you can put it, and then if you put it, if you will put it with this way, it will be very, very easy. Means it will not be like 50. None of the interviewer want to ask 50 question in one of the round, right? He want to discuss 10 good questions. Okay, out of 10, if 6 you are giving properly, 60 is the, means if he is giving any rating, 60 is the criteria. Out of 60, you know, at this point when you are asking for the work from home, how you are sitting, how is your camera, how is your lighting, okay, how is your voice, so many things matters. Okay, so 10-15 marks, so you can say that your punctuality, if you are not punctual 5 minutes late, whatever you are 50% to rejected already. Okay, so be punctual, be on time, like that, make some good story. When you are introducing yourself, whatever you have written in your resume, introduce accordingly. So this type of small things, if you will do it, it will be very, very helpful for you. Okay, and whatever the HR is asking any question, if HR is asking any question, okay, he want to know the background. Okay, don't think that it's a very straightforward question. Okay, it can be anything, it can be anything, Okay, what's your family do, where you are staying. If he's asking where you're staying, don't say that you are working from home. Okay, never ever. Okay, because see, when you say you are working from home, one of the thing is like you will come to the office or not. That's also the question will come in his mind, right? Agree? So don't directly say that you have a permanent work from home. If it's there, that's your choice. But I will always say that don't say directly that you have a permanent work from home. But because see, in HR asking this question, and you have what we can do, you have to manage it. Okay, because it's a what we can say, it's a trap question. Okay, he want to know what exactly you are. Second is, if he is asking salary expectation, don't directly say any number. Okay, what I will suggest you, you can ask that what is the range of this position, or you can go to any of the internet, and you are definitely, you have to be aware about it, what can be the range. Okay, because see, when you mention 30 lpa in your Naukri profile and you are getting a call, means HR knows that you will ask more than 30 lpa only, correct? Yes or no? That's why he is calling you. So definitely a range will be important. First thing, you have to prove yourself technically and then ask the range. Okay, what is the range? And don't put the highest number, don't put the lowest number, middle something you can put it, and that will be your expectation. Okay, and definitely every expectation will happen based on the interviews. I will tell my real story. Okay, I was asking something. Okay, let's assume I was asking X. Okay, they are ready to give X, but I was asking X plus 10. Okay, and they negotiated. I told that you can schedule one more interview round. I'm ready to face that. Okay, so if possible, okay, whatever your expectation is there, based on your technical discussion, if your technical discussion is very well, then only your expectation will get increased. अगर technical अच्छा नहीं हुआ तो फिर expect तो करना ही मत बिल्कुल. Okay, so this type of small thing, please keep in mind. Okay, and definitely guys, you have to be good into the negotiation as well. Okay, whatever the first offer is coming, it's okay. Whatever the first offer is coming, it's okay. But second offer, easily accept mat karna without negotiation. Negotiate, then only accept it. Matlab, you have to put the counters. I will tell my story, my real thing only. I have Amazon offer, and I'm negotiating with another company also, beyond Amazon. Okay, and they are ready to they already given it, kind of thing. Okay, so if you have one offer, if you are in notice period, you are the shoppers. Okay, you can do the shopping of the offers as well. Make sense? Yes or no? First offer is always a tough. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफर गेटिंग इज टफ. अगर फर्स्ट आएगा तो सेकंड ऑफर के लिए क्या होता है, sometime they feel that this person is already in notice period. If he will not release the offer in next 10-15 days, he will not able to come, right? So you are putting a pressure on the company or HR that they have to release the offer, or whatever, let assume it's a 20, so they have, if they want or not, they have to release the offer of 21 or 22 only, correct? If they want you, so definitely second offer will be, and there may be chances 30% to 50% also you can ask in your second offer as well. Okay, if your first offer is lesser than 2x of your current salary, minimum 2x, so you have to ask, or 3x you have to ask, please. Okay, let's take an example. Anyone's salary with 5-year experience is 10 LPA. Okay, so you are into the 2x. Okay, so definitely around 3x or 4x though will be possible for you, because I saw that 4-year experience person visa is giving 30 plus LPA. So whoever is less experienced but you are good into the technical, let me know. We have lot of HRs or referrals into the visa. We are ready to onboard you into the visa as well for the interview. Okay, please. So this is one of the, where it's a paymaster, and paymaster means you know that they are ready to give a good salary, but you have to prove yourself. Just 3 rounds, 2 or 3 rounds. That's it. Okay. So always second offer, you have to be a king, or you have to be a pro into negotiation. Make sense? Yes or no?
Yep.
भाई तभी तो 30 लाख 40 लाख 50 लाख मिलेगा, अदरवाइज नहीं मिलेगा. एग्री guys? Yes or no? Right? Cool. Okay.
Okay.
And before the interview, guys, before the interview, just make the research of the company. Okay. Research your company. Okay. किस कंपनी का अप्लाई कर रहे हो, पता ही नहीं है वीजा करती क्या है, पता ही नहीं है पेपल करती क्या है, राइट? तो दिस इज वन ऑफ द नेगेटिव पॉइंट. एग्री? अरे यस नो? It's fast. Yes, no, yes,
Yes,
no.
yes,
Yes, yes,
yes,
Right?
Yes,
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 yes.
yes.
pass.
Please
Yes, sir.
research. It can be any company,
Yes,
but उसके बारे में कम से कम थोड़ा सा रिसर्च कर लो. If let assume भूलने की आदत है, तो keep some small papers kind of thing small. Keep the notes. Okay, that I am applying for this company. This is the time. If you forgot the time or whatever it is, put it here. Just 3, 4 points, 5 points, and keep it in your notes, please. If it's an application, explore it. Okay, sometimes we don't know how to use the Zoom, sometimes some people don't know how to use the Teams, sometimes interview happen into the Amazon Chink. Okay, there are so many applications into the market. Okay, so if the link will come, you have to be aware that okay, it's a Google Meet. Okay, create your own Google Meet and see that how the application works, because in front of interviewer you will not say how to switch on the camera, because I observed that. Are you agree this is the problem? Yes or no? Interviewer suddenly say
Yes,
that
Yes.
share
pass.
the screen.
Yes.
Okay. Interviewer suddenly say that share the screen, and how to share the screen? You are searching like that. There may be chances. Rejection is very easy for you. Okay. So be aware,
Because
proper. Okay. Yep. Yep.
because
Someone
one
is telling
question
anything?
like we have, yes, we like many people have the 3 months of notice period, and when we are giving the interview outside 3 months of notice period, no company will accept it. They will
See, see.
straightforward like we are.
मैंने बहुत बार बोला है. See, if it's a 3 months means 90 days of problem is there. Correct? What you can do it directly say you are on bench. Straightforward say you are on bench. Okay? And there may be chances they
Okay.
may release you within 20 days or 40 days or 60 days also possible. Okay? But when your interview technical rounds clear, when you are technical clear, okay, say that your official notice period is 90 days. Okay, and you are trying to negotiate to join much as possible, okay, within a 1 week also,
Yes,
but you
noted.
will put down papers or you will talk with your manager when you get a offer letter. Agree? Yes or no?
Got it. Got the thing.
Right? Yeah, your manager will release you in 15 days also is possible, but without getting the offer letter, I will not able to put my papers. Right? Guys,
Yes,
everyone
yes,
agree?
got it. Yes,
Yes.
yes,
Right?
noted.
Yes.
तो
Yes.
हमें ऑफर लेटर पे तो 90 डेज की ही डेट लिखवानी है. फिर योर मर्जी. You want to release, you want to get the shopping or whatever you want. For offer letter पे 90 डेज लिखवाओ. Okay, then whatever you want you can do it. लड़ लो मैनेजर से, या थोड़ी सी बात कर लो, राइट, या बाय आउट कर लो, XYZ. राइट, या पूरा
Yeah,
प्रॉपर
many
अगर नोटिस पीरियड सर्व करना है, सी वन सेकेंड, पूरा नोटिस पीरियड सर्व करो ना, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? दैट्स गुड फॉर यू, दैट्स एक्स्ट्रा लर्निंग्स, राइट. मैं तो बोलूंगा शॉपिंग करने का टाइम मिला तुम्हें, हनीमून का टाइम मिला. यस और नो?
Yep.
राइट. गुड. तो say that you are on bench, simple. Okay, good. Now, during the interview, sit very straightforward, close all the tests, because sometimes I observe that I suddenly say that to share the screen. He's thinking which screen it went, where it went, okay? And so many browsers are open, chat GPT open, that is a negative impact. Okay. If possible, before the interview, restart your laptop. Okay, because sometimes I also observe that, sir, can I restart my laptop? अरे भाई इंटरव्यू चल रहा है, लैपटॉप क्यों रिस्टार्ट कर रहा है? Right? So better restart your laptop, close all the tabs, sit properly, lightings properly, camera proper setup, mic setup, whatever you have. Okay, just spend 2000 rupees for the camera. Okay, it will be very very helpful. Just use any of the headphone, 500 rupees to 1000 rupees, any headphone will come. Okay, and you can do that. Is it okay? Yes, no?
Sure.
Please, it will be a
Yep.
investment for you. Okay, because without this it will be difficult for you to get a work from home. अगर चेयर नहीं है तो वर्क फ्रॉम होम नहीं मिलेगा. ओके, तो प्लीज टेक अ चेयर एंड सिट इट ऑन दैट, अदरवाइज इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू गेट a work from home. Okay, cool. um be punctual, be on time, be polite. कुछ भी बोले, be polite. Okay, be prepared and be positive. Sometimes I observe that some students are always negative, with any of the thing. Okay, with in interview also, I may not able to come to Bangalore. Then why you are applying for the Bangalore job role? Agree? Yes or no? You know that company is into the Bangalore location, and you are telling that no, it's not possible for me to in Bangalore. भाई जब तक ऑफर लेना है तब तक तो हाँ कर. Right? Yes or no? Are you agree?
Yes. Yes.
Right? Offer के बाद
Agreed.
बोल देना I may not able to come. But जब तक offer नहीं आ रहा तब तक तो you have to say yes. Okay. And there are so many times I observe that uh, is this Azure? Okay. I never work in Azure. See, don't say this. Say that I know some services. I know AWS very well. Okay. I can compare with Azure and I can able to work. Right? You have to say the eager. You have to show the eager. Right? Sometimes I observe that some student directly say that, no, I never work into this technology. You never worked, it's okay. But do you want to work? So he will say yes. But you can indirectly you can say that, oh, I never get a chance to work into this, but it is in my queue. मेरे से जो भी पूछता है, okay, I will say this is not in, I never worked, but it is in my queue. That definitely I really want to learn it, and this is in my queue from the last 6 months, but I never get an opportunity. Right? I will give a real example. Harness, Harness, Harness AI. Okay, is in my queue. ये मेरे साथ straightforward. I give an interview into the Z. Okay, they have asked this question. Okay, so I told yes, this is in my queue, and I'm basically a little bit aware about it. This thing. Yep, बस इतना ही होता है, right? और मैं सीख लूंगा. That's it. Okay. So guys, straightforward. Be punctual. Be polite. Be prepared, and be positive. Okay. Your positive eagerness or nature will only help you out to get a job. जहां नेगेटिव हुआ वहां पे कोई सिलेक्शन नहीं होगा. और डोंट फाइट. समटाइम तो स्टूडेंट फाइट्स इनटू द इंटरव्यू. भाई क्यों फाइट कर रहे हो, क्यों लड़ रहे हो यार, क्या मिलेगा? एग्री? किसी भी चीज से क्यों लड़ना, नहीं लड़ना है, ठीक है? वो जो है वही है जो तुम्हें ऑफर लेटर मतलब हाँ या ना करेगा. तो लड़ोगे तो वैसे भी रिजेक्टेड होना है. तो नेवर, प्लीज. ओके, cool. And after the interview, guys, the thing is at the last, definitely ask the question. Okay, what is the tech stack you are using? Okay, do you feel that in which position I'm comfortable? Okay, or what exactly you are expecting from the candidate? Okay, like there's some 2-3 questions. Please ask. Okay, उससे क्या होता है? It will feel interviewer will feel that कि yes, this person is interested to work with us. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? और जब तक तुम लास्ट में बात नहीं करोगे तो एट द लास्ट ओनली ही हैज टू से दैट सिलेक्टेड और रिजेक्टेड. लास्ट पॉइंट. ओके,
Can
जो
I
भी कैलकुलेशन होगा लास्ट.
can I share my experience
जो
on
भी,
this question?
हाँ हाँ, गो अहेड सुरेश, बोलो.
So what happened? In the 2022, my interview was there, and everything was go average. I mean, the technical goes like average, and then last question, which asked by CIO, who's sitting in the Switzerland. He asked me. He is also technical. He asked me any question for me. So I asked. Uh, Yeah, some technical like what the roles for me, challenges for me, all that. And the last question I asked, which one touch him, like I said, you're sitting in the Switzerland, I'm in India, and we just watched Switzerland in the movie, Bollywood movie. I never watched Switzerland, and the question touched him, and then I just got to know that I selected after 15 days, and then next 6 to 7 months he just called me to come to Switzerland.
यही तो पॉजिटिवनेस थी, राइट? दिस इज द पॉजिटिवनेस, करेक्ट. और ईगरनेस. See
Yeah,
what he interviewer feel that yeah, this person is ready to come for the on-site also, correct? Right? If I will give a offer, he will definitely join. Guys, you understood? Yes or no? मेरी खुद की
yeah.
स्टोरी यार. मैं 5, 6, 7 years back, okay, I went to Dubai. कैसे गया था? Simple. I was just sitting in the client meeting was there. My lead manager, everyone was eager to give the answers. Far, 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 far. पता नहीं क्या बातें कर रहे थे, कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. But I am the person with the camera. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. जिन लोग को जाना था दुबई, ठीक है, जिन लोग को ऑन साइड जाना था, उनको नहीं मिला बिकॉज आई वॉज सिटिंग विद जस्ट कैमरा और आई वॉज जस्ट लिसनिंग प्रॉपरली. ओके, उनको वो लोग नहीं चाहिए थे जो भड़बड़ भड़ा के बोल दे, उनको चाहिए थे कुछ सुनने वाले भी होते हैं. राइट? यू अंडरस्टूड द पॉइंट, राइट? तो ही फील दैट दिस पर्सन अंडरस्टूड एवरीथिंग. And I forgot it. I have asked the question or not. Simple, the basic question, which was my doubt, and I clarified that. Okay, and I told her, yes, okay. And Only one person was sitting with a camera. They took the screenshot and they told that we need this guy. बस. और मेरी टीम के सारे टीममेट was thinking what he did. I haven't did anything. I just was in the camera. So guys, yes, you don't know what will happen. Okay, so be ready for every opportunity. Okay, cool. Thank you. Thanks, Suresh. Okay, yeah, guys, this side also we get the on-site opportunity. Okay, okay. Post interview. Okay, be very clear that which position you are applying. Okay, और पोस्ट तो क्या प्री से भी पता पता होना चाहिए कि which position you are applying. DevOps and data engineer both are different profile. Okay, so don't apply for the wrong profiles because it will be difficult for you to crack. Okay, and reflect in the interview that what you are. You have to be very clear that I am this. Yes or no? And I want to be into this. अगर तुम if you will not say that I am this, I want to be into this, it will be very difficult for interviewer to understand that what position you are applying, right? Because sometimes in our resume so many things has been written, but when you speak he will realize that okay, this person want to be that. There may be chances whatever you have written in your resume he will never read. Okay, sometimes तो ऐसा होता था इंटरव्यूअर को रिज्यूम ही नहीं मिलता है. Okay, really trust me guys, sometimes interviewer don't have the resume also because HR missed to attach it. Okay, and he took the complete interview based on your discussion. जो तुम बोल रहे हो उस पर पूरा इंटरव्यू हो गया. So guys, please be ready that you have to be say that what you want, what you are doing, everything whatever is written in your resume or whatever you want, you have to speak up into the interview. और बिना बोले कुछ नहीं होगा. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Anyone
Yes.
of you take the
Yes.
interview
Yes.
means took the interview without resume? किसी ने लिया ऐसा बिना resume के? Senior person, anyone? Suresh, Praveen, Roshan, Rahul, किसी ने?
I took an interview like for one of the IT agents.
Correct. Resume ही नहीं था उस समय. क्यों?
I don't think so.
Guys, ऐसा समटाइम ऐसा होता है. ओके, दैट हमें रिज्यूम मिला ही नहीं. ओके, बट हमारा तो मीटिंग स्टार्ट होने के बाद वी रियलाइज कि देयर इज नो रिज्यूम. Okay, so guys, this may also happen. So that time you are the person that you have to explain about yourself. So please be yourself or explain about it. It will be helpful for you. Okay, and interact into the interview. Be happy. Okay, गुस्से में मत बैठना, इंटरव्यू नहीं निकलेगा. Okay, be happy, please. Okay, and what we can say, explain about your project and whatever is written in your resume, you have to be aware of. Then only the
सर एक
interview will
क्वेरी
be get.
सर एक क्वेरी थी। जैसे सर प्रोडक्ट प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनीज होती है ना मोस्टली, तो उनमें
आओ ना, कैमरे
उनमें
पे
जो
आओ, कैमरे पे आओ ना प्लीज, कैमरे पे आओ.
हाँ हाँ
हाँ.
हाँ, तो मैंने देखा है कि मोस्टली जो प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनीज होती है तो उसमें टेक्निकल सपोर्ट इंजीनियर करके प्रोफाइल निकलती है, या फिर स्टाफ इंजीनियर करके प्रोफाइल निकलती है, या
हाँ,
प्लेटफॉर्म इंजीनियर
करेक्ट.
करके प्रोफाइल निकलती है। तो इन सब प्रोफाइल्स में सर डेवॉप्स का पूरा कंप्लीट थिंग्स नहीं होती है, जस्ट स्मॉल स्मॉल
यार वो
थिंग्स
प्रोफाइल
जो
ही
कि
अलग है
आपकी स्किल
राहुल, वो
सेट
तो
से मैच
प्रोफाइल ही राहुल, वो तो प्रोफाइल ही अलग है ना.
करके। तो सर प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड मोस्टली हम जैसे हम तो ये टारगेट करते हैं कि हम डेवॉप्स में जाएं, बट वहाँ पे
हाँ,
ऐसी पोजीशंस होती है कि मिक्स रोल कह सकते हैं, कि जो आपका
चलेगा.
अर्लियर एक्सपीरियंस है
देखो,
उसका भी
डेवऑप्स का
रहता है, तो
मतलब ही होता
वो
है
बेटर
डेवलपमेंट
रहता
ऑपरेशन. डेवऑप्स का मतलब ही होता है डेवलपमेंट ऑपरेशन. किसी कंपनी में डेवलपमेंट होता है 20%, किसी कंपनी में डेवलपमेंट होता है 60%. ओके, किसी में ऑपरेशन होता है 60%, किसी कंपनी में ऑपरेशन होता है 80%. तो ये तो हर जगह अलग ही है.
है। करेक्ट। और जैसे मैंने सर अभी एक हरमन करके कंपनी है ना सर,
हाँ, बहुत
स्टार्टअप
अच्छी
है।
कंपनी है ये. हाँ, नहीं
हाँ,
स्टार्टअप नहीं
तो
है भाई, बहुत अच्छी कंपनी
उसमें
है हरमन.
तो सर उसमें मैंने ओपन स्टैक इंजीनियर का मतलब उनके यहाँ पे रिक्वायरमेंट था,
ठीक है.
तो
हाँ,
मुझे ओपन स्टैक का सर बेसिक पता था,
ओपन
बट
स्टैक कुबरनेटिस की
उनको
तरह है,
सेल्फ
सेम.
स्टोरेज।
ओपन स्टैक कुबरनेटिस की तरह है बिल्कुल.
ओके, बट उन्होंने ऐसे कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछे। मेरा तो मेन तो कोर जो है वो लिनक्स ही है अभी तक तो, बट
हाँ,
हाँ उन्होंने सेलेक्ट किया था और इंटरव्यू भी हुआ था, बट इतना अच्छा नहीं गया था उस चीज के
ये
हिसाब
देखो,
से।
अब तुम्हें ओपन स्टैक आता है कि नहीं आता, सबसे पहली बात तो क्वेश्चन ये है.
नहीं, मैं बेसिक पढ़ के गया था उसका ओपन स्टैक का, कि
यार
एक्चुअली में
बेसिक
क्लाउड
पढ़ने से
वर्क।
देखो, ऐसे देखो क्वेश्चन, मैंने क्या बोला, राइट प्रोफाइल के लिए इंटरव्यू दो. ओके, अब ओपन स्टैक एक दिन बेसिक पढ़ के जाओगे और इंटरव्यू निकालोगे तो कैसे होगा बताओ. राहुल
मतलब
एग्री?
हमारे को एनवायरनमेंट में यूज करना आना चाहिए और हमको एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए कि ये चीज का जस्ट
करेक्ट, थोड़ा
बेसिक
सा
से
कुछ तो
काम
आना
नहीं।
चाहिए। नहीं नहीं राहुल, कुछ तो आना चाहिए ना। ओपन स्टैक जैसे कुछ अलग ही हो गया है वो, करेक्ट, ये सुनो।
नहीं, मैंने खुद
कभी
डिप्लॉय भी किया कि ओपन स्टैक का अगर टेस्टिंग एनवायरनमेंट बनाना हो तो कैसे बना
हम्म,
सकते हैं, तो मैंने खुद से मतलब
करेक्ट,
मेरे पास है मशीन इतना कैपेबल, तो मैंने डिप्लॉय
कूल,
करके देखा था और मैंने
ग्रेट
उनको ये
ग्रेट।
चीज एक्सप्लेन भी की। बट वो पूछे कि तुमने सेल्फ स्टोरेज क्यों नहीं कॉन्फ़िगर किया। अब सेल्फ स्टोरेज का तो मेरे को इतना आइडिया था नहीं, मैंने
ठीक
कंप्यूट
है, बोलो,
और
देखो देखो स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड, देखो अगर तुम्हें
देखी।
थोड़ा बहुत आता है तुम ये बोल सकते हो आई नेवर गेट अपॉर्चुनिटी इनटू दिस, मेरी कुछ टीममेट ने किया था, अगर ऐसा इफ यू हियर्ड अबाउट इट यू कैन से दैट माय
हम्म
टीममेट हैज डिड दिस एक्टिविटी,
हम्म हम्म
करेक्ट।
हम्म।
ऐसा कुछ कर
अभी
सकते हो
नेक्स्ट
थोड़ा सा,
जो है
मतलब टू बी।
एरिक्सन है। एरिक्सन में भी स्टाफ इंजीनियर करके प्रोफाइल है, बट वहां पे भी ये मतलब प्राइवेट क्लाउड मांगा है और पब्लिक क्लाउड और प्राइवेट क्लाउड दोनों की अंडरस्टैंडिंग मांगा है।
देखो
तो जो
देखो यार,
क्लाउड
देखो
होता है उसकी
जितनी
तो
कंपनी में,
अंडरस्टैंडिंग
देखो
सेम ही
राहुल
रहती है।
राहुल राहुल, कितनी कंपनीज है, हर कंपनी कुछ अलग ही करती है, करेक्ट।
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
ये सुनो, बट सी,
यस सर।
अब AWS ऐसे कितने मिलियन यूजर होंगे, 21 मिलियन यूजर्स हैं, राइट, करेक्ट। तो इतने यूजर्स की उस कंपनी में अप्लाई कर लो, आई कैन से दैट, राइट, राइट। और सी
नहीं सर, मैं
प्रीवियस
टारगेट ही
एक्सपीरियंस,
मतलब उन कंपनीज को कर रहा हूँ जो मतलब रिमोट दे रही है और दे कैन गिव मी द गुड पैकेज एंड टेक्नोलॉजी एज वेल। लाइक एरिक्सन आप
पैकेज
सुन
तो मिल
सकते हो।
जाएगा, पैकेज में बड़ी बात नहीं, पैकेज तो इफ यू क्रैक द इंटरव्यू यू विल गेट इट, ओके। और डोंट से डायरेक्टली दैट यू आर लुकिंग ओनली फॉर द रिमोट, okay, your target is remote but in the interviewer, in front of interviewer, don't say this.
ओके, समझ गया सर। ठीक है, कल मैं आपको बता।
चलो, okay okay guys, these are the tricks which we have to follow, and all the best. Please be positive, don't be negative ever, okay. Give 3 4 5 interviews and definitely something very very good will happen very soon. Cool. Okay, chalo. Now, guys, I would like to come up into the project also. It will take 40 minutes. Okay, and I will able to deliver to you. Okay, this project also, because we know 90% of the things. Only the 10% things we have to just touch the dots. Okay. So before that, can I give a small break to you? 2 minute break. Is that okay? Yes, no, yes, no.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah,
Let's take a
fine.
Yes,
two
sir.
minutes
Yes,
break.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Um, 2 or 3. Okay, whatever it will come. No, nothing is coming. 3 minutes, 30 seconds. Take a small break and please come back so that we can move into the project side. Okay. And I will give a separate recording as well for that.
Sure.